Hi, I'm Brendan Peng, and today's feature ingredient are bananas. And with that, I'm gonna make a cheat banana roti with a coconut caramel sauce. So let's get started. First things first is slicing these very thinly. Cool, bananas sliced. So we're gonna get moving on to our pastry. This is my little cheat here. So I've got some store-bought puff pastry here, which I think will do the same job, but in half the amount of time. I'm gonna roll it out until it's nice and thin. And now I'm gonna carefully place some bananas into the middle part, just arranging them nice and neatly. Cool, just like so. Before I fold the pastry in on itself, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar. I'm gonna fold the edges in on itself. Last one. I'm gonna put my pan on, and into that a bit of oil, and straight in. So whilst that's cooking, let's make a coconut caramel. Really easy, 3 ingredients. So I've got coconut milk, brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. Straight into a saucepan, we're gonna cook it down until it's nice and caramelized. I've cooked that until golden brown on one side, about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna flip and cook on the other side. Ooh, that's good. All right, roti's ready, caramel is ready, let's plate up. It's nice and crisp, you can hear it already. I'm gonna chop this into thirds. Straight onto my serving dish. And I like to add a little bit more banana just to freshen it up. Just a few slices here and there. Awesome, and to finish, a very generous drizzle with our coconut caramel. There you have it, guys, my cheat banana roti with a coconut caramel.